in this quick Minecraft tutorial I will show you how to make a composter in Minecraft so you can start trading with villagers if you want to make yourself a villager farmer. So for this we'll need about 2 or 3 pieces of wood logs, any type of logs. Now we need a crafting table and let's place it down, and with the rest of the oak planks we have to create slabs, okay? Now with the slabs, this is the recipe for the composter in Minecraft and we have it now. Now what's left to do, we have to place it down near a villager who doesn't have a job and he will take automatically the farmer job. Now you have to place it down and that's all you have to do. Now these are all the trades for farmers. They can trade you wheat, potatoes, pumpkins, melons, and also some other villagers will have beetroot and the other crops like carrots. I can find one right now. Okay, so this is the one with beetroots, and also there are some with carrots which I didn't saw until now. Okay, this one is with carrots. And the last trading will be with golden carrot for few villagers, and this is the best food in Minecraft. So that's how to get yourself a farmer in Minecraft and how to make a composter in Minecraft. I hope this quick Minecraft tutorial helped you out, and thanks a lot for watching.